What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'm going to be talking about and showing you guys how I keep my truck clean in terms of products that I use. You guys know I'm a detail buff head, etc. I love trying out new detail products, so I have a little collection of all the products that I like to call my go-to products in terms of what I like to use on my truck. As you can tell, I take pride in my truck staying clean because yeah, I can get it dirty, and it was super dirty when I originally filmed this video, but I washed it up, got it all cleaned up, and I'm going to talk about what I used. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and smash the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Check it out, let me know what you think. Comment down below and tell me what you guys use, what you should think about using, or if you got any questions, by all means ask down below, because I love to hear you guys' feedback. All right, so without further ado, enjoy the video. Alright, you guys, so like I said, obviously not including that, but this is it. Okay, this right here is a excellent beginning starting kit setup. Okay, so check it out. Alright, so from the start, I probably should have organized it in order of washing to, you know, polishing or whatever, but anyways, so we'll go right to left. So at the right side here, don't worry about that bottle. On the right side here, we have something called P&S Insect Bug Off Remover. Okay, yo, check it out, you guys. If you are like me, where you live in the country back roads, especially down in the southeast, if you live, or you know, wherever, country back roads, you get tons of love bugs splattering all over the truck in the middle of the summer and stuff. This right here is what you need. P&S Insect or Bug Off Insect Remover. Okay, check it out. This is a gallon. A gallon of this is 15 bucks online. A gallon. And if you want to, you can dilute it, which means you can pretty much extend the amount that you would use. Okay, I've had this gallon right here probably since last summer, and I use it almost every time I wash my truck, and you can see how much I use. So that should go to tell you how much you will get out of this. Okay, now if you're wondering, you're like, well, I don't need a gallon of it, like why do I have to have a gallon? Well, if you think like me, okay, if I know I'm going to go through a little 16-ounce spray bottle like this of bug cleaner, and that costs, let's say this was a cost 10 bucks. If I buy 4 of these, I'm already spending 40 bucks. This gallon is 15 bucks, and all I gotta buy is a cheap spray bottle, which is like $2-3, and I'm gonna get twice the product out of it. Okay, so that's just the way I look at it. Coming over here, all right, this right here is some Gucci stuff. It's Meguiar's all-purpose interior or all-purpose cleaner. This right here is more specifically going to be for the interior of the vehicle. You can use it on the outside for things like cleaning your tires, but this is predominantly for interior cleaning. Okay, so let's say you're a blue-collar worker. You get grease in your truck, all sorts of stuff. This right here, and this is why I have this bottle here, this right here is stuff that is amazing. This stuff is super concentrated. It's dilutable. Okay, you do not use this full strength because you're wasting product. Okay, so for heavy stains, 4-to-1, and then for light interior cleaning, so if you're just wanting to clean up, you know, a coffee spill or something small, 10-to-1. Okay, and what's cool is, and I have a chemical guy spray bottle. I like these type of bottles because on the side here, if the camera will focus, but on the side here they have dilution ratios on here, but it's not showing you. So it shows you here like 5-to-1, 4-to-1, 3-to-1, 2-to-1, and 1-to-1. Okay, so things like that is reasons why I use stuff like this. Now this is Meguiar's professional detailing line, so you can't buy this in the stores. You have to get this online, but again, I will have a link down below for it, so have no fear. All right, car soap. I use a crap ton of different car soaps, but for a immediate, if I'm just doing a quick wash or go-to all day, Chemical Guys Glossworks Auto Wash. This stuff is really good. It foams ridiculously, and on top of that, it has gloss magnifying agents in it to make it like pretty much makes your paint pop, even for a white vehicle, because you guys know white's the hardest to pop. Okay, so Chemical Guys Gloss Wash. Oh my goodness, Glossworks Auto Wash. It's a whole fucking full mouth of shit. All right, so we use that. Now what's awesome about this is you can use it in a foam cannon, or you can just use it in a bucket. So I'll put like 2 fat squirts into a foam cannon, you know, put it on there, spray the truck, man, it's like shaving cream. For interior dressing, I use Chemical Guys. I use other stuff, but this is my preference, is Chemical Guys Silk Shine dressing. This stuff is amazing. It smells good, and it has UV protection, and it doesn't leave like that glossy, greasy look. Like it's a semi-gloss, but it's not like ungodly shiny, you know what I'm saying? Like it's a nice shine to it, but it smells so good, and it has UV protection, which is awesome for not making sure your stuff fades or cracks. Now, I already made a dedicated video on this stuff, so I'm not gonna go too much into detail with this, but when it comes to, let's say you finish washing your truck and you washed it, clay barred it, but you wanna put some protection on it, Turtle Wax Seal and Shine Ice, by far the best spray-on sealant in the market today. I don't care what company is out there. This stuff right here, yes, it's from Turtle Wax, but there are thousands of reviews on this, and this is some serious stuff. I don't know what they did in this bottle, but it's so strong in terms of resistance, okay? I mean, I have some on my truck right now currently, and it's still going strong. All I say is try this stuff, and the next time it rains, go out and look at your truck, and you're gonna thank me later, okay? Or a month, let's say you go a month without washing your truck after putting some of this on, and you go to rinse your truck, you're gonna thank me later, okay? And this stuff is so inexpensive. I mean, you can get this for under 10 bucks at Walmart. Now over here we got a iron removing spray clay. Now this is if you're going to start getting into you know, real, like you're getting down into your detailing, okay? Because part of detailing is once you wash the vehicle, you want to decontaminate the paint, okay? So before you go to try to put any type of sealant, wax, ceramic coating on there, you have to decontaminate the paint. If not, it's not going to bond to the surface properly, okay? So Meguiar's came out with these ready to use iron removing sprays. And well, this one is iron removing spray clay, but they came out with this stuff. You can buy it over the counter. It's got a little pricey because it's from their professional line and it's already pre-mixed. So this bottle is about 20 bucks. They do sell the gallon version of this that is not diluted, and it's about 55, 60 bucks. So, but it's worth it. It's worth it. So back to what I was saying. So with the iron removing clay, especially on white vehicles, you will get little rust specks and, you know, brake dust and just junk in your paint before you clay bar it. And what's cool about this one is you can decontaminate the paint with an iron remover, and you can clay bar the surface at the same time. So what happens is I will spray my panel with this stuff when it's still wet after washing it. So I'll wash the truck. Once it's washed, I'll come back and spray this when it's still wet. Spray it on there. It'll start turning purple, breaking down the iron. And at the same time, I'll come with my clay bar, use that same material, like that same liquid on the panel, and clay the panel down. So you're essentially doing 2 steps at the same time. You're claying the paint, which is pulling all the contamination from underneath the top layer of the paint, and you're also decontaminating the paint by removing the iron, and it's eating away at it. So this right here is a bang on awesome combo, okay? Clay bar, I just go on Amazon. Amazon sells like 10 packs, 6 packs, 12 packs of clay bar, because if you go to the Walmart or the store, the only way to buy a clay bar is if you buy like the Mother's or Meguiar's clay bar kit, which comes with the detail spray, 2 microfiber, like, and it's like 20 bucks. You go on Amazon, you get this clay bar. These work really good. This is a medium one, so like for medium contamination. Good stuff. Glass cleaner, so far my favorite glass cleaner is going to be from Adams Polishes. I love it because when you pair this with a waffle weave drying towel, it does not get in the way, and it pulls everything that it puts on the windows. It's safe on tint, and it's just a good all-around glass cleaner. The only reason why this is here, Zephyrs Pro 40, for all my boys out there with forged wheels, you can't go wrong with Pro 40, man. Don't waste your money on Mothers or any of that garbage. Get you some Zephyrs Pro 40. This is it. Foam cannon, if you're trying to get a foam cannon inexpensive, right here, it's a Trinova foam cannon off Amazon. It's like 19, 17 bucks, but it is an excellent foam cannon. And what I love about it is it's a wide base, because if you get the skinny ones, when you stand them like this, they tip over if there's no water in them. This one is empty. You set it, and it stands up. Excellent foam cannon. For leather conditioner, there's some good ones out there, but I use Adams leather conditioner on my seats. It smells great, smells like leather, and it works good. For trim shine, you guys, I don't think y'all ready for this. Stoner Car Care trim, okay? By far, my favorite trim shine I've ever touched and used, okay? This stuff right here lasts so well, so long, and it's so effortless. I mean, you just spray it, walk away. There's no streaking. It doesn't have the little runs in it like Chemical Guys Bare Bones and even Adams undercarriage spray. It doesn't do that. When you spray it on it and it bonds to it, it's just a nice glossy finish. It looks so good. If you got wheel well liners, plastic, this right here is the stuff you got to use, man. It's amazing. Going back to Adams Tire Shine, since I first used their Tire Shine, it's still my favorite, just because it leaves such a nasty wet gloss, but it doesn't sling. If you spray it on and leave it and give it time to dry, like 15-30 minutes, you get no slingage, and it actually lasts a long time. I mean, if I spray this on my tires, I'll probably get about, if it doesn't rain, I'll get about 2 weeks of it, and if it rains, I'll probably get like a week, maybe 5 days out of it. Adams Tire Shine's good stuff. Now, for protection, if the Turtle Wax, if you're not like comfortable using a spray sealant and you're old school and you want something that's like a paste version or a liquid version, I use Chemical Guys Top Coat Sealant. This stuff right here works miracles on any color paint. I love it personally. It works amazing on whites. If you want your white vehicle to pop and get some shine after you finish washing, clay barring it, and it's ready for protection, this right here, this sucker can get it. I got my boy back home on that stuff. All right, now if I don't have Stoner Trim Shine for trim protection, Chemical Guys VRP, okay? I like to use VRP on the back of the bumper trim, just because the bumper trim and the door handles, because it's, you know, plastic, just because it has UV protection in it, okay? The UV protection is very big, okay, you guys. You gotta understand, man. You gotta know what you're putting on your vehicle, because that's gonna determine how it looks and how long it's gonna last, okay? So by me putting this on, now you're saying, why won't you just put the Trim Shine on? As far as I know, Trim Shine has no sort of UV protection built into it. It does exactly what the name says. It shines your trim, okay? So the reason why I use this is because on the bumper on the truck, the black trim is facing straight up directly at the sun, and the last thing I want is that stuff fading and turning gray. So by using this stuff, it gives that protection to it. So Chemical Guys VRP, and it's very versatile. You can use this for trim, interior dressing, and you can use it for your tires. So vinyl, rubber, and plastic, like legitimately, you can use it for all that stuff. So if you're that type of guy where you want to take this out the equation, and you want to take that out the equation, and you want to take the Tire Shine out the equation, so if you want to take all three of these out and replace it with one thing, you can do Chemical Guys VRP, okay? Definitely is good stuff, but I like having specific products for each individual thing that I do. I know it sounds weird or it might sound a little crazy, but that's just the way I am when it comes to detailing. Like I said, I'm a detail freak, okay? Also, you guys, so for wheel cleaning, I forgot to mention this, but for wheel cleaning, my arsenal is super simple. So in the middle, we have Super Clean, which is just a basic super degreaser. It is really good stuff. Super cheap. It's like $7 to $8 at Walmart. You can also get Meguiar's hot rim aluminum wheel cleaner. Now for wheel cleaning, it's two ways. Either you got forged wheels like me, so I use this, or if you don't, this is the all-around for everything, okay? This does tires and wheels. This is good on pretty much any wheel besides raw polish or raw aluminum wheels like polished forged wheels, okay? P&S Brake Buster. This stuff right here is amazing, and it's super effective. It's cheap. You can get a gallon of this for like 20 bucks, and it works, okay? You spray it on the tires, the wheels, let it soak on there for about 30 seconds, and then wash it, rinse it, and you're done. So for me, I like to use Super Clean for my tires as a degreaser to clean the tires before I put Tire Shine on. And then for cleaning the wheels, I'll use just some cheap Meguiar's hot rim aluminum wheel cleaner, because it's safe on aluminum wheels. Because really, when it comes to forged wheels, when you wash forged aluminum wheels, when you wash them just by washing them and that's it, you get the dirt off of it, but you have to go behind it and hand polish it to get it to look clean and shiny, okay? You're not gonna get forged wheels looking super clean just by washing and drying them off. I mean, you can, but it ain't gonna look the best, okay? So for wheel cleaning, this is the setup I use. Again, Everything that I talked about today will be in links down below in the description section, so check them out. That way you can just add everything to your cart one time, order everything, and you're not sitting there jumping websites trying to buy every single little thing. So you guys, that was a whole lot of talking, whole lot of showing stuff, but I hope you guys got something out of the video in terms of my detailing arsenal. Again, these are things that I use on pretty much every wash that I do. Some things I don't use every time, but still nonetheless, these things that I recommended, these are products that when you buy it, you're not going to have to question if it's going to work, or if it's going to be reliable, or if it's going to be, you know, to your expectations. These are products that I back and I personally believe are excellent because of its cost value, its quality in terms of how long it lasts, how long it works, stuff like that. Okay, so once again, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up. It helps the channel out so much. You guys don't understand. I thank you all for who all have been doing this already. Thank you guys for everybody. We are getting close to 20,000 subscribers, which means that we are getting close to me announcing the giveaways that we're going to be having when we hit 20,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. I already have things lined up. It's set in stone. You guys are going to love it. And guess what? Best of all, it's free. You don't have to spend no money, okay? So thank you again, you guys, and until next time, you guys have a good week. Take care, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.